Welcome back to the channel. Today it looks like I'm sponsored, but I'm not. It was what was on sale. We are making a red wine infused salt, and I am making a large batch. You do not need these amounts. For a single batch, it's half a cup of salt to a quarter cup of red wine. And according to the recipe that I've seen online, a lot of people agree it should be coarse salt, so that's what we're going with, as well as sea salt. And we're going to say that's enough. And a quarter cup. I'm just doing half of a quarter, or sorry, half of a half to get a quarter, because the quarter cup's in the dishwasher. So once those two are together, it is soaked for a minimum of 2 hours up to overnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. So this has sat overnight and you'll have a nice color to it. So you just strain it and then put it on a piece of parchment in either a dehydrator, and if it's a dehydrator it'll take a bit longer, or you can do the oven at your lowest oven temperature for about 4 to 6 hours until the salt is dry. The drier the salt is, the longer it will keep, basically. So I will just strain this and get it dehydrated and get back to you on it. So this is the finished product. It has dehydrated. It was a little over 4 hours. Maybe could have gone a little bit longer, but anyways, it's dry and it doesn't have a super strong flavor outside of salt, but you can definitely tell that there's, like, it just makes it more interesting. I've only tried it on a boiled egg so far, but you could put it, a lot of recipes say that you can put it on what you would pair red wine with. So steak, kind of the more hearty things. Steak is not the only thing you pair red wine with. It's just the only thing I can think of right now. Anyways, if you want a fun, relatively low work, use up the rest of your wine recipe, this is definitely a winner.